Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing interrupts the flow. Check your device OS and the app minimum version. Outdated software blocks connections. Once done, sign into the app with your account and complete any two-factor setup because that secures access. Make sure the app has required permissions, microphone, location, Bluetooth, since missing permissions prevent pairing. That immediate preparation saves time and reduces error retries, letting you move straight into the connection steps. You now perform the connection sequence. Open the app, tap Connect or Pair, and select the device or server you want. When prompted, grant permissions and accept any certificate or security prompts. These allow encrypted channels and prevent failed handshakes. If a code appears, enter it exactly, timing matters. Once connected, configure sync frequency and notifications so the app behaves how you expect. And test, a basic action to confirm communication, is stable before moving to finalization. You finish by verifying the connection. Run a sync or a test action and check the status icon for green or connected. If everything works, lock in settings and optionally enable auto reconnect so you don't repeat these steps. If it fails, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Restart the app and device, then toggle network. Many transient issues clear this way. If problems continue, gather logs, app version, and device details before contacting support so they can resolve the root cause faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.